Hi guys, what's poppin'? I'm your Fazbear, and today we are going to do a reaction video of Mount Etna. Has anyone seen from the news? You guys should check it out. Mount Etna from Europe has just erupted. So let's get started. Please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And as always, let's do this thing. Amazing. It's so cool. And dangerous. Did you know that Earth is kind of like a living thing just like us humans? And did you all know that volcanoes can be like pimples to the Earth and kind of like pimples to humans? Once you pop it, the volcano erupts. So the Earth kind of like has hands to pop his pimple. Basically, his pimple is basically a volcano that just erupted. Did you all know about that? The Earth has acne just like all of us do. That is crazy. Look at all the lava. It's so cool. The ash. Awesome. Holy shit, wow.
Made his way to a scenic spot, also overlooking the volcano's north flank.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. If you all enjoyed, please hit that subscribe button, and this is crazy. Mount Etna just erupted. It's crazy. If you have any friends or family members, you should probably contact them if they're in Europe, because I would say our ancestors were originally came from Europe and Africa. I would say the main spot is Africa, so no, never mind. But if any of your friends took a vacation to Europe, you should probably check up on them to see if they're okay. If you already did that, good job. See if you can donate some supplies to help out some people, or any case, I don't know, but do what you can to help out, okay? Alright. Have an amazing day, everyone. Goodbye. Oh, and before I go, always drink your chocolate milk. And always drink your milk, guys. It will give you nice and protein and strong bones.